Hey folks, cooking with Kelbob here in my ordinary kitchen. And today we're tired of turkey, we're tired of ham. We're gonna make cashew chicken, gesundheit, stir fry. But of course, along with me is my Oriental grill dog, Sherman. Great catch, buddy. And of course, everybody should have a grill dog because when you drop food on the floor, you don't have to bend over to pick it up. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to brown our chicken. We're going to use a total of 2 cups of chicken broth. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 3 tablespoons of that chicken broth and I'm going to heat it in my pan. And then I'm going to get that chicken started browning. I'm going to use about 1 pound of sliced chicken breast. So while my chicken's heating, in a separate container, I'm going to mix a 1/4 cup of cornstarch, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, and what's left of my 2 cups of chicken broth. I'm going to give that a good stir so that it's just a settled liquid. So after I've browned my chicken, just to make sure there's no pink in it, I'm going to go ahead and remove it from my skillet with a slotted spoon. And then I'm going to take 3 cloves of finely chopped garlic, get that in there. 1/2 cup of thinly sliced carrots, 1/2 cup of chopped celery. Stir fry for 3 to 5 minutes. Yeah. Now we're going to add a cup of snow peas or sweet peas in there. Stir frying that. 3 cups of broccoli tops. An 8-ounce can of water chestnuts. I love water chestnuts. Now, given our mixture that we created earlier, our chicken broth and our cornstarch and our soy sauce, another good stir. We're going to pour this over the top. Let that get good and hot. Then, the chicken that we cooked earlier, we're going to pour that back in. Stir fry this for another 3 to 5 minutes. And finally, we're going to add 1.5 cups of cashews, gesundheit. Should look something like that right here. What do you think? So after it's done, I've prepared some white rice according to directions. Look at this, folks. Is this something else? I'm talking cashew chicken stir fry over white rice after Christmas. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, this is so good. You gotta try this, folks. You gotta, Sherman. This one is a keeper. I knocked it out of the park. This is great. Folks, take some time, learn this simple recipe. Inexpensive, it's nutritious, it's hearty. This will delight your family, your friends, and your guests. For Sherman, for Grill Dog Sherman, Kelbob, out.